Huawei Mate 40 Pro review in 2025, still worth it. Hello and welcome to Techie Auto. Huawei Mate 40 Pro was a powerhouse when it launched in 2020, but in 2025, does it still hold up? Let's take a closer look at its performance, camera, software, and overall usability in today's smartphone landscape. Design and display. The Mate 40 Pro still feels premium with its curved waterfall display and sleek glass back. The 6.76-inch OLED panel offers a 90Hz refresh rate, which was impressive in 2020 but feels a bit outdated compared to today's 120Hz and even 144Hz displays. However, its colors, contrast, and brightness remain excellent, making it a solid choice for media consumption. Love deep dives into tech? Subscribe to Techie Auto for more reviews, comparisons, and insights on past and present devices. Stay ahead in the tech world, performance and hardware. Powered by the Kirin 9000, the Mate 40 Pro was one of the fastest phones of its time. In 2025, it still performs well for most tasks, but newer flagship chipsets have surpassed it in efficiency and raw power. The 8GB RAM holds up decently for multitasking, but demanding games and heavy apps may struggle compared to modern flagship devices. Camera system. Huawei's camera technology was ahead of its time, and the Mate 40 Pro still delivers stunning photos. The 50MP main sensor, ultra-wide, and periscope telephoto lens provide excellent dynamic range and detail. However, software updates have slowed down, and AI enhancements are not as advanced as what you find on newer devices. Night mode still performs well, but processing times feel longer compared to current-gen flagships, software, and Google services. One of the biggest drawbacks remains the lack of Google services. While Huawei's app gallery has grown, it still lacks some essential apps. Workarounds like GBOX help, but they are not as seamless as native Google support. The phone runs HarmonyOS, which has improved, but some users might still find it limiting compared to Android or iOS, battery life and charging. With a 4,400 mAh battery, the Mate 40 Pro still provides a full day of use under moderate conditions. The 66W fast charging and 50W wireless charging remain impressive, even by 2025 standards. However, battery degradation over time could be a concern for long-term users. Is it still worth it? The Mate 40 Pro is still a well-built, capable device with great cameras and decent performance. However, without Google services and with aging hardware, it's not the best choice for most people in 2025. If you already own one, it's still usable, but if you're looking for a new device, there are better alternatives in the market today.